So exactly, why do I have a pizza box again?
Well, you're gonna see how fast you can go when you deliver the pizza over to that apartment right over there. Yeah, over there is the apartment that me and Bert lives in. And some monsters already ate some of Bert's pizza, so I'm kind of returning the favor. I really owed him for this one, so I want you to go as fast as you can to deliver the pizza to Bert, okay?
Alright, I think I can do that. I mean, it's only a few blocks away.
Alright then, you ready?
Ready.
Are you marked? Get set, go! He's doing it! He's really doing it! Go, Yoshi!
Pizza, pizza! Ah, good. Now I can finally eat a pizza without any monsters coming to get it. So hurry up and give it to me, alright?
Way to go, Yoshi!
That's the stuff, kid.
Yoshi! Woohoo! Here you go, sir. Ah, finally. A pizza on my own.
Did somebody say pizza? Pizza party again!
Ah! What? No, no, no!
No! No! No!
Why? Why me? Why? Why?
Pizza, pizza.
Alright, next step. We'll test your strength. Alright, I'm gonna time you, and I want you to drive all the way around the block. Got it?
Got it!
Okay, ready, set, go! That was my line.
Whoa, he's really going fast.
That was nice! Yeah, that was probably more faster than Sonic. Well, probably not as fast as me, but he's getting there. Alright, last test. You're gonna race against Big Bird. And if you win, Yoshi, then you're ready.
Alright, let's do this!
But I warn you, my wagon is very fast.
We'll see about that.
Alright, get ready, set, go! It looks like Yoshi's in the lead. Nope, nope, now it's Big Bird. No, Yoshi's now in the lead. No, it's Big Bird now. Oh, wait, now Yoshi. And now Big Bird. Oh, it's the... Can you please stop? Okay, sorry. It looks like Yoshi's in the lead. Oh, he's about to go to the whirly whoop. Oh, yes. And oh, Big Bird's tires went out. Oh, looks like he's stuck in a dish. Oh, but what's this? Yoshi's going to help him. Wait, why is he helping him? Yeah, come on, Yoshi, win the race. Gee, Big Bird stopped and Yoshi's trying to help him. But would that mean he won't win the race? Come on, Yoshi. It looks like now Yoshi is trying to get some spare tires for Big Bird's wagon. And now they're shaking hands. And now they're going back into the lead. I can't believe it. Alright, they're going to the whirly roof. Alright, they went up and down and left and right. And what's this? Oh, looks like they fell in a ditch. Oh, that's not good. But what's this? Big Bird is helping them fly out? Wait, Big Bird can fly? I mean, he is a bird. Still, wow, what's this? Now they're going on top of the roof? No, I can't believe it. Now they're racing on top of the buildings. This is unexpected. Man, you should really see this. It looks like they're about to hit a truck. Oh, and that truck was full of basketballs. Watch out for the hopping bunny! Okay, they're stopped so that the bunny can go through. And here they come! The winner is Yoshi!
Alright, Yoshi! That was really nice! Thank you, fellas. I never knew I could do all that.
My friend, you're ready.
You really think so?
I know so. Oh, and it looks like Big Bird's coming. Hey, Yoshi, nice race.
Same to you.
Oh, look, here's the bunny from earlier. Alright, get ready.
Don't take it too personally. You didn't belong in his crew anyways. Go! Wow, look at him go! Wait. No,
Hey,
watch
hey,
out!
look out for the...
Another truck full of basketballs.